Hi, I'm Abby Brooker. I'm the induction supervisor here at Whyalla Beef in Texas, Queensland. We run about 50,000 head of cattle on feed and around 2,500 head travel through the shed every week. In the induction shed, there's quite a few tight bends and corners, and being such a high traffic area, slip and trip rates were quite high, which cost us financially, and the animal welfare was not up to standard. We tried multiple other products before using Youngstar matting, and they weren't making much improvement on the concrete. Constant maintenance and repairs were required because they're not so durable compared to the Youngstar matting. Now that we have Youngstar matting, the injuries and slips have reduced due to the lugs doing the job and keeping our cattle safe. We hose every afternoon that we process. Hosing the Youngstar matting is easy. Hosing concrete was easy as well, but cleaning the Youngstar is just as easy as cleaning the concrete. We've had Youngstar matting in the shed for a couple of years now, and it still looks quite new, which gives us confidence that it will last for years to come. Overall, we've been really impressed with the Youngstar matting and will highly recommend it to any other feedlots out there looking for a good product.